Hi there, welcome to AnnEvolving. I got a balayage and I took off a couple 2 to 4 inches, and I have been practicing with new hairstyles. If you would like to see how I get nice little waves using the Lange Duo Styler, stay tuned. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of section up this part of my hair. I'm going to section off part of the back and the sides. You can set it here to the temperature that you like by just clicking the power button, holding it down, and then it goes up to the desired temperature. And it'll blink until it's ready, and then the fan comes on. To prep my hair, when I dried it, I already put on the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Hair Oil. I'm just gonna lightly mist that again and brush that through. And I think close up you can see the balayage a little bit better. Again, it's not right up at the root, it's a little bit further down so that when I color my gray, my roots, it is supposed to be less noticeable and I'm not covering up the work that I just paid for. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this down, I'm gonna wrap it over, and if you see steam, that's just the product steaming off that I just put on my hair. So that's the look I'm going for, just a very simple curl, and then I'm trying to keep the ends straight. Not holding heat on it very long. Again, pulling the hair forward, wrapping it around, pulling it forward and down. There! I actually had to have her show me how to do this, the hairstylist, because when I curl my hair with this tool, it does tend to do the ends, and so I don't want to do the ends. So I guess I'll pull it out like that, and then you can just take the ends and go straight down. So that gives that kind of piecey look that I like, that I'm trying to go for. All right, so that's the front. I'm just going to take a small section and do the same at the back. And I'm not really alternating, I'm doing them all the same way, which is just flipping it back. And then when I get to the bottom, I'm just pulling it straight down. The thing with this Lange is you have to be careful. I always tend to touch the button and reduce the temperature, not on purpose. I've done a video using this tool before, and I had to learn to take really small sections of hair because otherwise it just doesn't work as well. You want just a tiny little inch, and that's why it takes a good while to do it. And then just bring the last piece and pull it down. So I think this technique is working pretty well now. Sometimes I part my hair further on the right, but I have this recession here that I am working on with the Rogaine, and it is starting to work because I have little sprouts everywhere. So if you're interested in watching that, I'll put a little card up here when I'm done with this video. So here's the other section. Again, I'm not pulling it to the side, I'm pulling it to the front, and I'm going away from my face. And again, if you see steam, it's just burning off the product. It's on my hair. My hair's not burning. All right, the second one. It's a little thick, so I'm gonna drop that piece down and just go with this one. Here we go. And then right when I get to the end, I'm gonna pull it down. I really don't keep it in there very long. I'm literally just putting it in and pulling it through. Again, starting up here, twisting it, and then just pulling it through. Right there, I'm gonna pull it down. You have to be very careful not to get hair in this lower part. So I try and put it up at the top and then take it over. I don't know if you saw that. I mean, I know it doesn't have to be that difficult. I don't like it when the hair gets in that little piece and it tends to pull. I can speed through this, and you can watch it really quickly. So those are those sections. Now for this last top section, I'll just take the remaining pieces and again, keeping them small, just very tiny. And then I'm going to start kind of midway down. I can smooth it right there, but I'm gonna start about right here. And again, just take it out and then pull straight down. Just want a little bend. So I think you can really see now where the balayage is. And then, you know, this side's pretty cool now. Just go through it, lightly breaking it up. I know I'm gonna do that, so I might as well just go ahead and tuck it now. So there you have it. It gives my hair a little thickness, doesn't lie as flat. So this is one way to wear it, fresh off the curls. If I want to comb it through, I can use a wide tooth comb so it doesn't pull too much. I can pull it up like this. I can tease it up here and have this part down, do a little thing like that. For today, tuck my hair and go. I just noticed that all through that video, I had mascara up here and that my makeup had not been set. And I just want to thank you in advance because I don't have my glasses on. I don't have my contact lenses in, so thank you for not pointing it out. Thank you for overlooking it. And anyway, there's that.